Hi everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we're going to be making felt ties in Hogwarts house colors like this one. The one you'll see me make today is in the Ravenclaw colors from the books, which are blue and bronze. This felt color is the closest I had to bronze, but I think it works pretty well. As you can see, I'm using mine as a bookmark, but you could also decide to turn yours into a clip-on tie, and I'll show you how to do that at the end of the video. To get started on this project, we'll need the tie template, which we'll include a link for in the post description, felt in your house colors, some glue. You can use craft glue, tacky glue, regular school glue, or you could use hot glue, and that would dry much quicker. The next step is to cut out the tie from the template. Now we'll take a marker and trace the tie onto the felt in the main color of your tie. And then we'll cut that out. Next, we'll work on the stripes for the tie by cutting out strips from our secondary felt color. I'm trying to roughly mimic the pattern from most of the school ties I've seen, so I'm cutting some wider and some narrow. After they're cut, we can start gluing them down to the tie. I'm going to cut them down into smaller pieces and then start arranging them. The pattern I'm doing is 2 wide strips fairly close together and then 1 narrow with more space between. Then I'll repeat this all the way down. Now I'll add some small stripes to the top part of the tie, and I'm going to lay these down at an opposite angle from the body of the tie so that it kind of matches what it would look like if it were a real tie. Before we can move on to the final step, we have to let the glue dry completely. Once dry, we'll flip the tie over and trim off the excess stripes. And that's it if you want it to be a bookmark. If you want to make the clip-on tie, here's what you do. You'll need a hair clip like this one and some hot glue. All we need to do is flip to the back of the tie, place the clip on like this, and then apply a dot of hot glue underneath the bottom and top of the clip. And it's all done.